Welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Today we're going to be making a Katsu Sando. So we're going to be taking my favourite dish from Japanese cooking, which is a chicken katsu curry, and we're going to be moving it into a new sandwich format. So we're going to have that beautiful crispy fried panko chicken breast going into a really flavoursome curry sauce, all within the sandwich. So let's get right into this recipe and we'll start right now.
So we've got some shallots, ginger, garlic and some carrot, 3 teaspoons of garam masala and a teaspoon of turmeric. Cook this out for another minute, so then we'll add in some coconut milk. So our sauce has been simmering for 5 minutes, so I'll just take this away and blend that. So our sauce has been blended down. I'm going to add some cornstarch. Thicken up the sauce. Take that off the heat. Okay, so now we move on to our fried chicken portion. So we've got chicken breasts, flour, egg, Ontibo crumbs, straight to the fryer. Beautiful fried chicken. Set this aside to rest. Okay, so now to assemble our sandwich. So we've got 2 pieces of bread, which we're going to toast. Beautiful coloration. Okay, so for our final assembly, we made a curry mayonnaise. We're going to get this into some greens. So now for the assembly, we've got our toasted bread and we've got our chicken. So first step is to take one of our chicken breasts, place that into the curry sauce. Next step, sushi rice. So that barrier is to protect the wet chicken breast underneath from our crispy chicken on top. Just on top of this chicken breast here. Here is our Katsu Sando done.